Clogged kitchen drains are a common issue, often caused by neglecting simple precautions. The main culprit: fat buildup in the pipes. When we rinse fats down the drain, they may be liquid initially, but they eventually cool, solidify, and block the pipes. Additionally, food scraps, vegetable peels, or fruit pieces can accumulate in pipe bends, further obstructing water flow. So, what's the best way to deal with this? Should you call a plumber or use harsh chemical cleaners? While those are common choices, many people don't realize that chemical cleaners contain harmful substances that can irritate your skin and lungs. Instead, let's talk about a safer, cheaper, and more natural solution you can try at home. All you'll need is salt and hot water. Start by pouring half a cup of salt down the clogged drain. Let it sit for a moment. Meanwhile, boil about 2 liters of water and remove it from the heat as soon as it starts bubbling. Slowly pour the hot water down the drain. The heat will melt any fat buildup, and the salt's abrasive texture will help dislodge stuck particles. After that, run more hot water from the faucet to flush away any remaining debris. Alternatively, you can use dish detergent instead of salt. In this method, mix a few spoonfuls of detergent into the boiling water. The soapy mixture helps dissolve grease, clearing the pipes effectively. Pour it down the drain just like before, and you'll notice a big difference. If the blockage is caused by food scraps rather than grease, you might need to unclog the drain manually. Start by pouring boiled water to loosen debris, then remove any remaining blockages with a tool or your hands. What other tips or tricks do you use to keep your drains clear? Share them in the comments.